the previous class, we saw if the number of hosts is given, how to do subnetting. For example, if this is the network, what is given to us is there are 2000 hosts per subnet. This is given. In each subnet, I need 2000 IP. If this is given, how to do subnetting is what we saw in the previous class. I'm going to do this once to help you recall. Then we will get into the final section. 10 dot we have 24 bits. 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 bits, in which we need only those bits that are needed for 2000. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. It goes like that. Now, if I add these bits, I'll get 15. How I know? Because the next number is 16. Now you tell me how many bits I need for 2000. I need these many bits. When I add all these bits, I'll get what? Because the next one is this.
Okay.
So I'll get 2047 because the next one is 2048. So to get 2000 IP address, I need these many bits. I cannot take less than this. Less than this will give me only 511. Sorry, 1023. We can't. That's not sufficient for us because we need 2000 IP per subnet. So we are going to keep these bits for host. And give the remaining, give the other bits, give the rest of the bits from this octet for networking. So you see, in the third octet, we have taken only these 3 bits. From 4th bit onwards, we are giving for networking, which means the mask will be, the default mask is 255 because this is class A. First octet is network, but now you have given the next octet, so it's going to be 255.255, and in this you have given 5 bits, which is 248.0. This is what? The new subnet mask. Slash what is the value? Slash 20 slash 16 plus 5, 21. Slash 21. If you want to write in slash, it is slash 21. And now you know how to do subnetting. How the value of this one is 8. That's the place value of that one. 8. I think it's a crayons. 8. The value of that bit is 8. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, it's 8. So you need to increment by 8 in the third octet. 10,000/21, 10,008.0/21, 10,016.0/21, 24.0/21. I need just 4 enough. And let's go and write the last 4. 10.255.248.0. We don't use this because all the host bits are, all the borrowed bits are 1. So the last usable network will be 10.255.240.0. Why 240? Because we incremented by 8. If you go from down to top, you have to decrement by 8. 10.255.232.0, 10.255.224. Am I right? Yes. .0. 10.254.216.0. You got it? You got the first 4, you got the last 4. Is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So both of you are comfortable? I heard only one from one of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if you know this, then going to next topic is easy. Our next topic is VLSM, Variable Length Subnet Mask. VLSM, Variable Length Subnet Mask. So far what you did is Fixed Length Subnet Mask, meaning for all department, this is department 1, 21 mask. This is department 2, same 21 mask. This is department 3, same 21 mask. This is called Fixed Length Subnet Mask. See, this department can accommodate up to 2000 plus IP address. No doubt. But what if there is another department with only 200 IP needed? Then there will be lot of wastage of IP address in this. What if in the third department I don't want 2000, I just want only 15 IP? Then again, a huge amount of wastage. In the Fixed Length Subnet Mask, if every department have got same requirement, then okay. But in the real world, that is not the case. Each department have got some different number of IP address needed, not the same. That is why we go for this final topic called VLSM. It is nothing but you do subnetting repeatedly. Do subnetting repeatedly based on the requirement. For example, I have a router called R1. I have another router called router 2. To communicate between these two routers, I just need only 2 IP. So how many IP needed here? 2 only. Because it's a point-to-point, no? Only 2 IP needed. Let me call this interface as E0. And here, the number of computers connected is 20. So I need 20 IP address plus this one, 21 IP address. For E1 port, I should give one IP address in the subnet that I give to this LAN. So totally IP address needed is 20 plus 121. And I got another LAN where I need 50 IP plus 151 connected to Ethernet 2 of the interface, router interface, Ethernet 2. So I need only 50 IP here. See, the requirement is not the same. Different department have got different number of IP needed. And I got another department connected to router 2, which needs, the blue LAN needs, let's say 500 IP plus 1, 501. So what we are going to do is we are going to do subnetting according to the requirement. So you will not get the same mask. You will get /30 for this because you just got 2 IP. And for this, you will have /23 or 22. So the mask is not going to be the same. Right? We are going to do now. Let's say that that company says we will not use anything other than 172.16. That's the company's policy. This is the network. Given in the document to use by the company norms, and we want to do subnetting. The default mask is 255.255.0.0. But when you do subnetting, according to the requirement, the mask for each department, each LAN, and for the point-to-point will be different. My recommendation is start from the small one. I'm starting from this. 2 IP address needed, and this is the network. Just 2 IP address needed. Now, only 2 IP address needed. How will you do subnetting? Sorry. Right. So this is the homework.
Okay, sir.
You can start right now or whenever you are comfortable. No need to rush also. Take your own time. This will take some time because you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 subnetting. I recommend you to go from small to big. That's the easiest and best way without any confusion. You will be able to do it. All right. I'm going to put this screenshot for you in the group. You can use that, and I'll also put the videos link for reference. You can go through the video, then you can start doing. You don't need to jump into without proper, without good confidence. You don't need to do it. Take your time, go through the video, then use this picture, finish the homework.